Hi! In front of me is VIVO Y36 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Security. Now tap on Screen Lock and decide which login method is the best for you: pattern, PIN or complex password. Now you need to create it. Tap on Next at the bottom right corner and repeat it in order to confirm it. Then select Confirm. Now answer this question by clicking on one of the available options to adjust lock screen notifications. When you finished, tap on Done. So finally, when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!